Pensiamo che non pensiamo che non Wow. Adesso abbiamo
May I please, madam? May I please, madam?
Yes.
With the permission of the Honorable the Chief Justice, may I announce the notification for today's full court reference. High Court of Manipur at Imphal, notification dated the 8th February 2025. In supersession of the earlier notification dated 7th February 2025, on the same subject matter, it is hereby notified that there will be a joint reference on the sudden demise of case Chonjohn Singh, Senior Advocate, and Priyakumar Rajkumar, Advocate, on 10th February 2025, Monday at 11:30 a.m. for 45 minutes in courtroom number 1. Court will resume thereafter. Before Honorable the Chief Justice D. Krishna Kumar, Honorable Mr. Justice A. Bimal Singh, Honorable Mr. Justice A. Guneshwar Sharma, and Honorable Mrs. Justice Golmai Kaipul Kabui in absentia, reference will be given by Mr. S. Tarun Kumar Singh, Vice President, High Court Bar Association of Manipur, Mr. M. Devananda Singh, Additional Advocate General Manipur, and Mr. S. Brajaviari Singh, Chairman, Bar Council of Manipur, Mr. K. S. Samarjit Singh, Deputy Solicitor General of India. Reply will be given by Honorable the Chief Justice, and there will be 2 minutes silence. Now I request Mr. S. Tarun Kumar Singh, Vice President, High Court Bar Association of Manipur to kindly address.
May I please, my lord. Honorable Justice Mr. D. Krishna Kumar, Chief Justice, High Court of Manipur. Honorable Justice A. Bimol, Judge, High Court of Manipur. Honorable Justice A. Gunesho Sharma, Judge, High Court of Manipur. Learned senior advocates, esteemed members of the bar, officials of this registry and their colleagues, Mr. M. Devan Singh, Additional Advocate General, Manipur. Mr. S. Brajbihari Singh, Chairman Bar Council of Manipur. Mr. K. Samarjit Singh, Deputy Solicitor General of Manipur, India. We gather here in this solemn reference to honor and pay tribute to two of our most esteemed colleagues, Senior Advocate Chonjohn Singh and Advocate R.K. P.O. Kumar Singh, whose passing has left an irreplaceable void in legal fraternity of Manipur. Their unwavering dedication to the law, their commitment to justice, and their contribution to the society stands as a testament to their extraordinary lives and careers. A towering figure in Manipur's legal landscape, Khangembam Chonjohn Singh was born on 1st March 1948. He obtained his Bachelor's of Law degree in 1971 from LMS Law College, Imphal. Subsequently, he was known as an advocate in 1972. He devoted his life to law, serving as a respected member of All Manipur Bar Association and High Court Bar Association of Manipur. After a remarkable practice for more than 4 decades, he was designated as a senior advocate in the year 2015, a recognition befitting his decades of service. Beyond his legal practice, he was champion of civil liberties and human rights, serving as a General Secretary, Civil Liberties and Human Rights Organization, Clarho, and as a member of the first Manipur Human Rights Commission, serving from 1998 to 2003. His steadfast commitment to justice and human rights earned him recognition from the Honorable Chief Justice, the then Honorable Chief Justice, Justice P.V. Sanjay Kumar of the High Court of Manipur, who honored his over 4 decades of legal service to society. His contributions went beyond courtroom. He was a scholar, writer, poet, leaving a lasting impact on the legal and literary discourse. Alongside the loss of Senior Advocate Khangembam Chonjohn Singh, we also grieve the passing of Advocate R.K. P.O. Kumar Singh, a respected figure in our legal community. Born on 1st March 1960, late R.K. P.O. Kumar was a dedicated legal practitioner who began his career in 1987 and joined the High Court Bar Association in 1993-94. He worked as an associate under the then Senior Advocate N. Sujamani Singh. Practicing in both High Court and District Judiciary, he was widely respected for his expertise in motor accident claim and served as a standing counsel for insurance agencies. His commitment to justice and fair earned him the trust and respect of the clients and the colleagues alike. On 7 February 2005, he passed away in Delhi while undergoing medical treatment, leaving behind a legacy of professionalism and dedication. These two remarkable advocates were more than legal minds. They were mentors, guiding young lawyers and shaping the profession with their wisdom. Their absence leaves a void, but their legacies will continue to inspire us. Khangembam Chonjohn Singh is survived by his wife, 2 sons, 2 daughters, while Mr. R.K. P.O. Kumar Singh leaves behind his wife, 1 daughter, and 1 son. On behalf of the High Court Bar Association of Manipur, I extend my deepest condolences to the bereaved families in this time of sorrow. May the departed soul rest in eternal peace. Thank you.
Next, I request Mr. M. Devananda Singh, Additional Advocate General Manipur, to kindly address.
My Lord, Honorable Chief Justice D. Krishna Kumar, Honorable Justice Antim Bimal Singh, Honorable Justice Aribam Guneswar Sharma, and Honorable Mrs. Justice Gormi Gayatri Kavi in absentia. Mr. S. Tarun Kumar Singh, Senior Advocate, Vice President of the High Court Bar Association, Manipur, Shri S. Brajavari Singh, Chairman Bar Council of Manipur, and Mr. K. S. Samarjit Singh, Deputy Solicitor General of India on behalf of the central government, and respected Registrar General of the High Court of Manipur, and all the learned senior advocates and my esteemed colleagues in the bar, Registrar of the High Court of Manipur, and members of the registry, and the families of late Chonjohn Singh and the Priyakumar Rajkumar presented today. We are all assembled here today to mourn the sad and sudden demise of late K. Chonjohn Singh, senior advocate, and late Sri Priyakumar Rajkumar, who are distinguished member of the bar, as at about 59 years. Late Sri K. Chonjohn Singh, senior advocate, was born on March 1, 1948, and was a distinguished and vulnerable members of the legal profession in the state of Manipur. After obtaining his Bachelor of Law, LLB degree in 1971 from MS Law College, Imphal, also affiliated with the Guwahati University. He was enrolled as an advocate in 1972, bearing bar enrollment number 2 of 1972. Apart from his legal practice, he was deeply committed to the protection and promotion of civil liberties and human rights. He served as the General Secretary of the Civil Liberties and Human Rights Organization, CLARO, and was appointed as a member of the first Manipur Human Rights Commission, serving from 1998 to 2003. He was a pioneer of the human rights activism in the state of Manipur. His unwavering dedication to the cause of justice and human rights earned him recognition from then Honorable Chief Justice of the High Court of Manipur, Shri P.V. Sanjay Kumar, who facilitated him for his over 4 decades of service to society as a legal practitioner. Late Shri K. Chonjohn Singh, senior advocate, was also a prolific author, philosopher, and scholar. He contributed numerous articles to various journals, newspaper publications, and was widely regarded as an esteemed writer, poet, and human rights activist. His literary and legal works have left an indelible mark on jurisprudence and social justice. Furthermore, he made substantial contribution to the development of Meitei religion and culture, having authored significant works such as Lining Tau Laimanem, the Lining Tau Sanamai Temple Act 1976, and Kanglai Lining Richard and Pongnam from Ima. His exceptional capacity to articulate human suffering and his unwavering advocacy for the marginalized made him an ethical and moral compass of society. Through his legal practice, he gave voice to the voiceless and became a steadfast guardian of justice. He is survived by his wife, 2 sons, and 2 daughters. His demise is an irreparable loss to the legal community and society at last, and his departure left a void that will be difficult to fill. And late Sri R.K. Priyakumar Singh, son of late R.K. Sanal Singh of Kaisamtong, Thangam Lerak, Imphal West, was born on 1/3/1960 and enrolled as an advocate in the year 1987. He joined the 1996. He joined the High Court Bar Association Manipur in 1993-94 and working as an associate to late N. Surmani Singh, senior advocate till late N. Surmani Singh was elevated as a judge of the Guwahati High Court. He was a practicing board in the High Court and lower judiciary. He was also handling many motor accident claim cases, and he was a standing counsel for insurance agencies too. Shri R.K. Priyakumar Singh expired on 5th February 2025 at Delhi, where he was undergoing medical treatment, leaving behind his wife, 1 daughter, and 1 son. Apart from their illustrious career spanning decades as a person, both late Shri K. Chonjohn Singh and late Shri Priyakumar Rajkumar Singh are a person of amenable character, soft-spoken with a characteristic sense of humor. With profound grief and sorrow, I, on behalf of myself and state government, offer our deepest condolences to departed souls, and I forward my deepest sympathies to the family, especially to the wife and children, and wish them courage and resilience in the face of this difficult time. Sending healing prayers and comfort during this tough time. May their soul rest in eternal peace. With this, I conclude my remarks.
Next, I request Mr. S. Brajavari Singh, Chairman, Bar Council of Manipur, to kindly address.
Honorable Mr. Justice D. Krishna Kumar, Chief Justice, High Court of Manipur, Honorable Mr. Justice A. Bimal Singh, Judge, High Court of Manipur, Honorable Mr. Justice A. Guneswar Sharma, Judge, High Court of Manipur. Shri I. Tarun Kumar Singh, Vice President, High Court Bar Association of Manipur. Shri M. Devanand Singh, Learned Additional Advocate General of Manipur. Shri K. Samarjit Singh, Deputy Solicitor General of India. Respected Registrar General and his officers, my esteemed colleagues of the Bar Council of Manipur, members of the High Court of Manipur Bar Association, and the staff of the registry. Shri Chonjohn Singh, senior advocate, was born on 1st March 1948 at Singh Road, Akampat, Imphal East, Manipur. Due to his illness, he passed away on Thursday, the 6th February 2025, at the age of 77 years, leaving behind his beloved wife, 2 sons, 2 daughters. Shri Singh, an old age and advocate in the Bar Council of Assam, Nagaland, Meghalaya, Manipur, Tripura, Gujarat, Arunachal Pradesh, and Sikkim in the year 1972, and transferred to the Bar Council of Manipur in the year 2018. Shri Singh was my beloved classmate, and he was an honest, noble, gentle, and humble person. Besides his legal practice, he was a social activist. Late Shri Rajkumar Kumar Singh, advocate, was born on 1st March 1960 at Keshamthong, Thangjam Lerak, Imphal West, Manipur. Due to his illness, he passed away on February, the 7th February, on Friday, the 7th February 2025, at the age of 65 years, leaving behind his beloved wife, 1 daughter, and 1 son. Shri Singh, an old age and advocate in the Bar Council of Assam, Nagaland, Meghalaya, Manipur, Tripura, Mizoram, Arunachal Pradesh, and Sikkim in the year 1987, and transfer on option to the Bar Council of Manipur in the year 2015. On the said occasion, I, on behalf of the Bar Council of Manipur and on my own behalf, express my heartfelt condolences and share the grief and pain of the bereaved families in the passing away of Shri Chonjohn Singh, senior advocate, and Rajkumar Kumar Singh. The legal fraternity has lost its most illustrious member. At this hour of grief and sorrow, let us all pray together to the Almighty God for giving support to the families of the departed souls. May their souls rest in peace.
Next, I request Mr. K. Samarjit Singh, Deputy Solicitor General of India, to kindly address.
Yes, Master. Honorable Chief Justice D. Krishna Kumar, Honorable Mr. Justice A. Bimol Singh, Honorable Mr. Egunesh Sharma, Judges of the Honorable High Court, Honorable Mr. Justice Gomay Gaiful Kavoi in absentia, and Mr. I. Tarun Kumar Singh, Senior Advocate and Vice President of the High Court Bar Association, Manipur, Sri M. Devanand Singh, Additional Advocate General, Manipur, S. Brajbihari Singh, Chairman, Bar Council of Manipur, Senior advocates, learned members of the bar, and registry officers, Registrar General, and all other officers and staff. Today we are gathered here again also to mourn the sudden demise of that Senate Council, K. Chonjohn, and one of our members, K. Kumar Singh. Yes, Chonjohn Singh, having born in 1948, mostly, has completed almost 53 years of practice when he died, so on 7th of February. And he used to be a friend of my uncle and my mentor, who happened to be one of our advocate generals also in the state, Mr. S.N.K. Singh. And they used to study together in Singh Boys High School. They matriculated together from the same schools. And having enrolled himself as an advocate in the year 1972, he entered the profession and he was very active in civil liberties and human rights matters, Lordship, when being one of the general secretaries of one of the organizations called Civil Liberties and Human Rights Organization. And having put in his experiences in the civil liberties and human rights matters, he was appointed by the government of Manipur as member of the Human Rights Commission, Manipur Human Rights Commission, and he served there as a member from 1998 to 2003 also. And his activism has led to many advocates joining his chamber. Very recently, one of our advocates, Mrs. Sushil Vidrom, joined his chamber, and he also became one of the secretaries of this CLARO, of this organization also. And having completed his distinguished professional career of 40 years, more than 40 years, the then Chief Justice of the High Court, Honorable Mr. Justice P.V. Sanjay Kumar, has felicitated him as one of the practitioners who have completed decades of practice laws. And he was involved in so many writing articles and contributed so many journals in newspapers and publications, Lordship. And he was regarded as an esteemed writer, poet, and human rights activist. And his literary and legal works have left an indelible mark on jurisprudence. And he's contributed almost to the preservation and the development of the Metis culture and religion. And having authored some writings like Lining Thou Lemrel, Lining Thou Sanamei Temple Act, and a Kanglai Lining Lichet, and a Ponglupo Mima. And with his exceptional capacity to articulate human sufferings and being a champion of the human rights, he had inspired a lot of councils to work for the cause of the human rights, Lordship. And he had represented so many voiceless people also. And he has left 2 sons, 2 daughters, younger of whom who is present here amongst us, Rosita, who is a judicial officer. He's a judicial officer, and he is still serving us under the supervision of the Honorable High Court. And Mr. R.K. Priyakumar, Lordship, having born on 1/3/1960, Lordship, and having completed his graduation and LLB from Manipur University, enrolled himself as an advocate in 1987. And he used to be amongst us in various occasions of the High Court, and he appeared, even though very less numbers before the High Court, he appeared regularly before the subordinate courts. And he used to be one of our regular members of the High Court, and he participated in all the bar elections, and he has contributed to so many remarkable things in the, mostly in the law courts. And we were told that he is also a member of the Supreme Court Bar Association. And he, before his expiry, he was appointed as a panel lawyer of the High Court Legal Services Committee. And he expired on 5th of February 2025 in Delhi while undergoing treatment. So, Lordship, with their loss, Lordship, we have completely been, we are at a void, which is irreparable in nature, and it's very difficult to fill in, Lordship. With a heavy heart, Lordship, on behalf of the central government, on behalf of the central government and all of the panel councils, Lordship, I pray to the God that this is soul be rest in peace. And with this, I conclude.
Now, for giving reply, I request Honorable the Chief Justice to kindly address.
My esteemed brother and sister judges, Mr. Justice Bimol Singh, Justice A. Guneshwar Sharma, and Mr. Justice Valmi Gai Fulshilo, and Mr. Tarun Kumar Singh, Vice President, High Court Bar Association of Manipur, and M. Devananda Singh, Learned Additional Advocate General, Shri S. Raja Bihari Singh, Chairman of Bar Council, Shri K.H. Samrajit Singh, Deputy Solicitor General of India, distinguished members of the bar, respected family members of the departed souls, Registrar General, and members of the High Court Registry, ladies and gentlemen. As we all assembled here today in Court Hall number 1 of the High Court of Manipur, we pay our tribute and solemn reverence of 2 remarkable members of our legal fraternity, whose loss has left a void that will be hard to fill. First, we mourn the passing of Chonjohn Singh, a distinguished senior advocate and a true stalwart in the legal annals of Manipur. Born on the 1st March 1948 to late K.H. Chubove Singh and K.H. Bino Devi, he pursued his education with passion for knowledge and justice, culminating in his law degree from LMS Law College in 1971. Enrolling as an advocate in 1972, he quickly made a mark to his extensive practice in civil, criminal, revenue, and writ matters. His work went beyond the courtroom as he patiently championed human rights, serving as General Secretary of the Civil Liberties and Human Rights Organization and as a member of the first Manipur Human Rights Commission from 1998 to 2003. His exceptional contribution to the legal field were recognized when he was designated as Senior Advocate by the High Court of Manipur on 20th August 2015. For over 40 years, he exemplified professionalism, dedication, and compassion for justice and was duly felicitated by then Chief Justice P.V. Sanjay Kumar, now Judge, Supreme Court of India, on the Constitutional Day celebration, the year 2022. His insightful legal writings and contribution to the enrichment of Metis culture further reflect the multifaceted legacy he leaves behind. Some of his notable works such as Learning to Limerel, Learning to Sanamahi Temple Act 1976 and Gangli Lining and Uknafam Lima will undoubtedly enrich the cultural fabric of the society. Above all, he was a man of dignity and intellect. His presence enriched not only the courts, but also the lives of all who had the privilege of knowing him. The bar and the bench alike will remember him for his wisdom, integrity, and humility. He leaves behind his loving wife, 2 sons, and 2 daughters, one of whom is a judicial officer presently serving as OSD to the Manipur State Legal Service Authority. We also remember with deep sadness the passing of Advocate P.K. Priyok Kumar Singh, born on the 1st March 1960 to late R.K. Sangal Singh. He pursued his education with academic rigor, earning a BSc degree from Guwahati University before turning to law at LMS College, enrolling in the year 1987. He started his practice as an associate to late Justice N. Surajmani, the acting Chief Justice, Sikkim High Court, establishing himself in both High Court and District Courts. He also handled many MSCT cases and also was standing counsel for insurance company too. He practiced with dedication and sincerity, offering legal services to those in need. Often as a panel lawyer for the High Court Legal Service Authority, besides being a member of all Manipur Bar Association and High Court Bar Association of Manipur, he was also a member of the Supreme Court Bar Association. I am informed that he is a man of compassion, always ready to lend his expertise to the cause of justice for the marginalized. His legacy will live on through the countless lives he touched with his generosity and kindness. He is surveyed by his loving wife, daughter, and son. Today, as we stand in tribute to those 2 distinguished advocates, we are reminded in the fleeting nature of life and enduring legacy of service. Their passing is an irreparable loss to the legal fraternity, the state of Manipur, and the community at large. On behalf of the High Court and its registry, I extend our deepest condolence to the bereaved families. We share in your grief and pray that you find strength and solace in the cherished memories of your loved ones. As we mourn their passing, let us remember their lives, their contribution to the legal profession, and the values they embodied of integrity, compassion, and the relentless pursuit of justice. May their souls rest in eternal peace. Thank you.
Now we shall observe 2 minutes silence as a mark of respect to the departed souls. Now I seek permission of my lord to close the proceedings. The full court reference proceedings are closed now.
Lordship, with the Lordship's permission, may I make a mention on behalf of the bar that as a matter of convention, after the condolence, the bar member visits the family of the deceased. And therefore, my humble prayer is that all, except apart from the urgent matters, the hearing of the remaining matters may be relaxed for today. We'll be visiting the demised families today.
Yes, what he says.
Single. Except for urgent matters. Except for urgent matters.
Except for urgent matters.
I have not started single.
Motion matters may be taken. Okay, that I'm not-
So,